Okay, from the last day, what we have done here, update student, we can just write the same query and sorry, change the query and write the same. Let's copy and paste the same thing, and then you have to change this to delete, right? Delete from the table student. You have to say where this part. It's very easy. The student ID equal then the student ID. Right, this need to be done. So this is the query, and after that you can execute that query. But the problem is, okay, let's see this. When I run this, let's try to delete. Okay, let's try to delete non-existing ID. Delete student. Let's try to delete an existing ID. Delete student, and I'm trying one, and this is one, and then I'm trying to delete enter value to update. That should not become right. So okay, are you sure? You can ask like this: are you sure you want to delete this record? You'll get this as an input. Answer equal input. You can ask yes or no, y or n, yes, no, y, n, that you can ask. Based on the answer, you can execute this query. If answer equal y, you can continue to delete this by running the query. Else, you can say print. And here say you can deletion successful. Deletion successful, and it's done. Print. Okay, I think you have print nothing, so nothing is needed. Just print empty. Right. Now I'm running this back. Let's see. Let's try to delete the student, and I'm trying to delete number one. You can see it's getting an error. The reason is basically the type error. Object of a non-type has no length. Non-type has no length. So that error came because of the previous function here, 4k in range length of row minus 1. So that is here. This one. Search function 4k in range the length of row minus 1. That is because this is empty. This row is empty because fetch one has nothing. Here also we need to use if statement. If let's use if you can just print the row. Just print the row and see what will be printed. Print row. Save this. Let's see what will be printed first. When it is already deleted, so when you try to delete this, it will search and you none. So none means nothing is there. So then you can say if row equal to this none. If row equal to none, so no need to iterate, no need to return this. Right? No need to return this because when you are trying to do that, so that will give an error. You can say either you can return -1. Return -1 means you are not getting anything. You are not getting anything. Else, you can iterate and return this data. Append the data and return. So let's do this now. Let's write this, run this now. These are fixes. How can we disappear this ugly error message? Running it, searching, and you can see now still length of D. Length of D. This is K in range, length of D. This is something else. What is length of D? That is here. I guess that is here in the delete student here, length of D, because you are trying to print where the D is empty, D is -1. That also you need to check. If D is equal to -1, that means -1 return means, you know, the reason. You can print what you can say, cannot find the record, cannot find the record. Else you can do all these stuff. If record found only, you have to try to delete. Same thing should be applied to the here as well for the update. Here this update student, same thing should happen here too. So let's run this now and see the results of. You need to do these changes. So I'm trying to delete non-existing ID. It says cannot find the record, but I'm trying to update non-existing ID. So still it is giving an error because I have not updated that. So you can see it's giving an error. That part also you can correct. So see what I have done and please apply that to your code. So what I have done some checks. Search function also. Search function also, I did some updation here to return 1 if it is not there, otherwise return data. Based on that, I did some update to my other function. So can you do that now? But you can do that. Same thing, you can copy here. Yeah, if this before doing this, you can check if D, what is this D? D is search function, right? Search function, what's the result of? Oh, not that, sorry. Not that, delete student, update student here. This is the search function. Okay, I can just tell this before running this code. You can see if D is -1, again, cannot find the record, else you can do the activities. That is what you need to do. It's very simple. Let's see where it goes. All right, here. Else and still everything here should be executed. Otherwise, okay, done. Save, run this. Now, if you try to update a non-existing ID, it says no, can't find. So let's do some bigger one. Still, if it is not found, it says can't find. So if you try to delete same non-existing one, it says can't find the record. And also, when you try to delete something, so it will get our confirmation. Let's try to delete number 2, and it's asking, are you sure you want to delete this record? I'm telling no. So if I try to delete that again, it should exist. Yes, the record is there. It's not deleted because I said no to this. When I said no to this, it will not be executed. Okay, so I think with that, our database section, basically the database section related to basic queries, CRUD queries, we call create, retrieve, update, delete, are over. One suggestion actually, when you are deleting from the database, so if you need to undo the deletion, what you can do? So let's say you want to delete from the database, but you want to undo that later. You want to reverse that action after deleting. You want to get that record back. Any suggestion?
I'm not sure. To be honest, I'm not
But what if you update without deleting? So something like this. This is something innovative. You can think like this without deleting. Let's say you want to delete class. You are not actually deleting. You are not actually deleting. Instead of that, you are adding one field. Let's add one field, and this field name you can say deleted. So this can be added to each and every. And let's add a boolean or tiny int for that. So this is yes or no. Boolean, yes or no. Boolean, and this yes no type 1. Let's save that. So the default, by default, I would like to here deleted is 0. So nothing is there. But if you make deleted is 1, so you can, so when retrieving this, you can consider this as a deleted one. For an example, let's say this is deleted, this is deleted. I'm just updating, right? I'm just updating deleted status to 1. So other records you can see. Other records you can see. So it's 0, but this record is 1. So this is, then I can write a SQL like this. Select asterisk from the table name is, what is the table name? TBL class. TBL class. So that will give me all the records in table class. But if I want to get the non-deleted records, I can say select asterisk from table where deleted equals 0, non-deleted things. So then this will be considered as non-deleted records. The last record is considered as a deleted record. But still, you can undo that. How? You can change this 1 to 0. If you change this 1 to 0, so this will, like, this is like restoring. It's like a recycle bin. You are not actually deleting. You are marking the status as deleted. You are keeping that in the recycle bin. But actually it's not deleted. Later you can update this to 0. And so that is like restoring from the recycle bin. Now you are getting this records back. Understood this concept? Hello?
Yeah, I understand it, kind of.
It's like it's actually not deleting, not using the deleting query. You are using for deletion also, you are using updating query. You are updating the status to 1. Actually, what is the
Yeah.
deletion query? The deletion query is here. This is deletion query. If you want to delete some record, the deletion query is this. It's not actually the deletion code. It's nothing. You can say update table set deleted equal 1 where the table class ID equals 6. This is the deletion query, but it is not actually a deletion query. But by doing that, we can mark the status. This is actually like move into recycle bin. It's not in the original position, move to somewhere else. Similar to that, it's not in the original status, now in the deleted status. Right? This is what the recycle bin concept is, because you can restore that back. If you like think that you need to restore that back, you can take that from the recycle bin. Okay.
Okay.
Right. This week actually I'm not giving any homework, but what you can do is you can try to do that other part. Other part means like whatever your father has given to you, you can try that. If you have any difficult
Okay.
point, so you have to email me. I'll check that and let you know, right? Or you can WhatsApp me also. Get the number from your
Okay.
just WhatsApp me. I'll check and let you know. So let's try to complete that exercise this week, right?
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.